Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'm going to show you how to crochet an easy bow. These are nice embellishments for your hair, a hat, scarf, shawl, bag, and more. For my sample, I'm using worsted weight yarn and a G hook. However, use a different size yarn if you want a different size bow. To begin, the top loop section, chain 36. Skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And 1 single crochet in each stitch across. At the end, you'll have a total of 35 single crochet stitches. We're going to do the same pattern for rows 2 through 6. Chain 1 and turn your work. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. At the end of each of the rows, you'll have 35 single crochet stitches on them. This is my completed 6-row section. As you can see, I left a longer tail end for sewing. Now we're going to take the 2 shorter ends and connect them together. You can use any stitch you want to sew these ends together. And since this section will be relatively hidden, it doesn't have to be perfectly sewn either. Depending upon how your bow will be used, you might want to put a drop of clear nail polish on all of the knots we do in this pattern to make them a bit more secure. And that's the top loop section. Next, take an 8-inch piece of yarn and wrap it around the center of the bow. Cinch and tie and knot it securely to form the top section of the bow shape. Don't trim the ends just yet, we'll use them for later. Now we'll make the lower tapered section of the ribbon. To do this, we'll start with the chain 16, and as before, skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. At the end of this row, we'll have 15 single crochet stitches. We're going to follow this pattern for rows 2 through 6. Chain 1 and turn your work. In the very first stitch, we're going to make 2 single crochet stitches in it. Now we just continue with 1 single crochet in each stitch across until the very last stitch. In the last stitch, make 2 single crochet stitches. And on this row, we have 17 single crochet stitches. For the next row, we put 2 single crochet stitches in the very first stitch. Then the rest of the row, except the last stitch, contains single crochet stitches. And on that last stitch, we put 2 single crochet stitches in it. So you'll continue to do 2 single crochet stitches at both the first and last stitch with just single crochet in between for a total of 6 rows. And here is my finished sample of 6 crochet rows with the tapered ends due to the extra 2 single crochet stitches. And we take another piece of yarn and cinch, tie, and knot this piece in the center as well, just like we did with our loop section. Then we add our top loop section and combine the two. I like my shorter tapered end to be more towards the center area. Use the strands from the top section to tie and knot the bottom section together. And if you want, sew or hot glue on a button or some bling to the center section. And that's it. That's how I crochet an easy bow.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.